Let's proceed with next bout. Bout 118. For 118, holding on, red corner, John Vincent Wee from Tumuran. So this is a winner by walkover. Winner by walkover, red corner, John Vincent Wee. We are the champion.